You left us in Virginia, and he spoiled me, but I get to enjoy it when he comes to visit.
What's up, everyone? Daniel Watros here, and welcome to another episode of Cooking With, where I teach my guests how to cook their favorite passion foods with a twist. Today on the show, I have my mom. Hey, Mom.
Hey, son.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I'm very excited about this.
Well, I'm very glad to have you on the show. It's been something I wanted to do for a while now. So I'm glad we could work it out here back home in Virginia. Yeah, so Mom, what is your passion food?
Well, one of them has been tacos, simply because it's super easy. I'm not natural, as you know, in the kitchen.
Right.
And I do really appreciate Hispanic food and the culture.
Yeah.
And the taste.
Of course. But Mom, as you know, I've lived in California for about 4.5 months now. Were you aware of that?
I was quite aware of that.
Okay, just making
Missing
sure.
our boy, yeah.
And it's been awesome. I've been able to try so many different foods from different cultures, and one of those things has been fish tacos. And that's not something I've been able to eat here often. So I thought I'd bring that to Virginia and show you how it's done.
Great.
What do you think?
I'm excited about it.
All right, let's start cooking. All right, Mom. So the main twist for this dish is that it's fish tacos and not just beef or pork taco. That's the main twist. But a classic fish taco usually has some sort of salsa on top. It could be a pico de gallo, or what we're doing today is a mango salsa. So I'm going to show you how to peel and dice up a mango. I will add it to the salsa that's already done. It just needs this mango. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so we got the mango here. And when you're in the store checking for the ripeness, you want to feel it.
Oh, okay.
And it's a little mushy, but not too bad. If it's super firm, it's gonna be really tough to cut and peel. So you want some firmness, but some softness at the same time. You start by just slicing in every inch or so. Like that. All right, you think you can do that?
I think I can. He often comments at home about my wonderful knife
skills. So you're just gonna peel the skin right off and make sure you get all the flesh underneath. Just peel it right off, like that. Okay, the mango is peeled now, and you see the slices that we made. So then you're just gonna go on one end here like this, as close to the core or the pit as possible.
Okay.
Just slice down, and then do it on this end. This end. Just go all the way around the pit. All right, so we got the slices here, and we want to dice them up a little bit. So could you just cut them for me into like 1-inch slices like that? It's like this one actually should be cut in half, and then diced a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, could you just cut them all like that? I know that some of them are mushy, but...
I was trying to think the first time I ever had tacos.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't have it growing up. It wasn't a thing in Richmond, Virginia. Maybe not till college.
Wow.
Maybe at that one place we'd go out right in downtown Beaver Falls.
That looks great.
All right.
So we'll put that in here. And so this is... The salsa has 2 mangoes diced up like I just showed you. Half a cup of cilantro diced up. Half a large red onion. And the juice of 1 lime. Also, I put 1 jalapeno in there. A classic mango salsa recipe can sometimes call for 2. Okay. But I just did 1. Yeah. You could put 2 in there if you like things a little spicier. But I will show you something that will cut that spice a little bit, so it will balance out.
Your dad would maybe even be
Yeah, Dad can handle this as well.
Doesn't like spice.
Not at all.
No, at all. I like medium.
Yeah, I think we both like medium spice, so this will be fine. All right, Mom, so now we are ready to cook the fish. I have a pan here that I'm gonna set to medium-high heat. As that starts to heat, I will show you how I'm gonna season this fish. This is tilapia. You can find this at any supermarket. I was actually able to find it at Walmart, and it wasn't frozen, so that was surprising. We have this blackening seasoning here. It is a mixture of oregano, thyme, paprika, pepper, and cayenne. You just take a little bit of this. I've already started here. Get some on top of each fillet.
This is just coming a long way from my Long John Silver days growing up.
Oh boy.
All right, so when I was growing up, my mom was a picky eater. She was a much better chef than I am naturally, but I don't think we did any fish. Probably Long John Silver's was the first intro to me with fish, and that stuff was pretty good.
You can rub it in and do it on both sides. I think the pan's pretty hot now. Could you throw a little olive oil in there?
Now this is one thing I do mess up often. I put too much olive oil, makes things soggy.
Just enough to coat the pan.
See, I'm not even sure what coating the pan means, so.
A little bit more?
I'll tell you, I'm scared because I really do add too much.
Okay, that looks good. We'll let that heat up a little bit more, and I'll have you finish seasoning these fillets.
Both sides.
Yes, both sides, and then we'll throw them in the pan.
I think I can handle this. I gotta tell you all, first time Daniel came into our kitchen, he amazed us because I didn't know he was watching all these cooking shows, and he had the natural cooking gene in him. And you know what he did? He baked sugar cookies from scratch, and they were perfect. And there was even a mess up in there that he fixed. I think you read the direction for salt and you thought it was sugar, right? And so, what happened?
Yeah, I put salt in instead of sugar. I put like a cup of salt in instead of a cup of sugar.
Yeah, and then he still was able to fix that, and we didn't even know. We just had a huge batch of sugar cookies, so.
And that's how it all started.
Yeah, he's been amazing us ever since age 14. You left us in Virginia, and he spoiled me, but I get to enjoy it when he comes to visit.
There we go. It makes it even more special.
That's right.
Our pan feels hot. We're gonna go.
How do you know how long to heat up the oil?
I mean, you don't want it smoking with fish. I mean, if it's smoking, it's definitely done. But you just have to kind of feel. So this will be a good test when I throw it down.
It just dissolves
Exactly,
like that.
just like that.
Okay.
So we're gonna let these tilapia fillets cook for 3 minutes on each side. So Mom, why are tacos your passion food?
Tacos. I can't screw those up, right? Brown the beef.
Usually not.
I'll usually throw in a little water in the packet. It's easy.
Yeah.
And I don't like to spend time in the kitchen because it's not my
Of course.
natural knack. So.
And now it's been 3 minutes.
Okay.
And flip them. All right, so then we'll do these for another 3 minutes. And then we'll start assembling. All right, Mom, so the fish has been cooked on the other side for another 3 minutes. You can see it's nice and white and flaky in the middle. Crispy on top. And honestly, the fish stuck there a little bit in the first batch, which means I probably underdid them a little bit. Like, it's fine, but like, it would get more of a sear on top, and it wouldn't stick as much if I cooked them longer.
Oh, okay.
So this batch I'll do a little longer to make sure it doesn't stick. Like 4 on each side just to be safe. Mom, we got these second batch of fillets going.
All right.
Now it's a good time to start these corn tortillas. I want to get a little crisp on them. You can pick these up in your supermarket. Put the heat to like medium low. So we'll do like 3 or so, 4. And we'll let that heat up a little bit.
Microwaving, I've done that a lot with my soft tacos.
By searing it, it's going to get that crunch on the outside that you want to really bring the whole taco together.
And then the olive oil again.
No, I'm just going to do it as is. And just, you got to watch it because it can burn very easily. So you can see these tortillas, they're getting done because they're getting crispy on the outside, but not too much. You can still fold them.
Oh, yeah.
If you get too crunchy, they're
breaks.
going to break. Exactly.
Yes, that's something I would do.
So it's still, you can still bend it, but it's a little crunchy on the outside. Okay, Mom.
Yeah.
So the tortillas are all done. The fish is all done. We did the salsa. I also have a cilantro-lime sour cream.
Ooh.
Just 8 ounces of sour cream with a couple tablespoons of cilantro and juice of 1 lime.
Juice of 1 lime.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's it. And now we're gonna assemble. So just like that. And then to top it off, we got this cilantro-lime sour cream.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna taste amazing.
We'll dollop of that.
I think just one taco with two tacos with all of this in it would fill me up, which is nice.
Yeah, I guess we do have different appetites.
Yes.
Gotta keep that into consideration.
Yeah.
All right, Mom, you ready to dig in?
So ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh, so we're gonna eat this messy thing though in front of everybody? See, they're full. It's so worth it. The mess is so worth it. The fish, and the oil, all the flavoring, and the mango together. Oh.
Mom, how does this compare to other tacos you've had in the past?
Oh wow, I don't really even feel like I'm eating the beef common taco, it's a little the same with the, the seasoning, sour cream, but so above.
Right.
Right.
Do you feel like you're at the beach?
Yeah, like Paradise Island,
That works.
On a Caribbean cruise, there we go. Caribbean vacation.
So, Mom, what did you learn today?
Let's see, I learned a lot. I learned how to even cut a mango and even how to chop it. And peel. Oh, true, we got to peel it. Learned how to saute the fish, how long on each side.
Right.
About how much olive oil to put in a pan. I love the combination of your seasonings, which you'll list that for everybody.
Yes. In the description.
I want
Below.
that. Okay, myself. Even the sour cream mixture, what you put in that. Never done that before.
Right.
Learn that. And then even the corn, you use corn instead of flour, tortillas.
Corn
I've
tortillas, yeah.
always just bought the flour.
Yeah.
I like the corn. You come up with a wonderful meal, filling meal. Pretty affordable too.
Yeah, it was very affordable. And then, we had 3 tacos each, and you're still left with all this salsa. Mom, thank you so much for being on the show. I'm really glad I can share some of my California experience with you. And I hope, it seems like you really learned some stuff. And
I did.
hopefully you can show the family that in the future.
I will, definitely. Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
It's been so fun.
Of course. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I will see you on the next episode. That's good.
Now what?